Hi, in almost all of my projects I use PCBs with my own design, so I decided to make a small video for those who wants to repeat one of my projects but don't know yet how to order PCBs. So go to glcpcb.com and click on the instant quote button. Add Gerber files that you downloaded from the project page. Select the number of PCBs you need. Minimum quantity is 5 PCB. Choose the color you want. If the board has components in QFN case and you want to make more than one board, I advise you to order a stencil. It will allow you to apply soldering paste very precisely and in the right amount. So, choose order together with PCB, then add to cart and order it. Now we need to order SMD components. Open lcsc.com and click on the BOOM tool. Then click select a file and open project BOOM file. To automatically search all components, we need to specify the column type. For a column name, choose value. For a column footprint, choose package. Choice for quantity is of course quantity. For manufacturer part, choice manufacturer part number. The column manufacturer remains the same. And most importantly, for the supply part column, choose LCSC part number and click next. This is very good. You can see part match confidence is 100%. For some reason, he didn't find one components. It's okay. Just copy part number. Then we will search for it. And one component is out of stock. There is not so much we can do. Just copy the value, delete this component from the list and try searching in other stores. Now add the components to the cart and search for a component that he didn't find. Change the quantity according to the project and add to the cart. I hope this video is useful to you. If so, like and subscribe.